Guys, Mr. Gibson here. So I just wanted to take a little bit of time to get you guys started on Explore 2 gene expression. So let's take a look at the directions. So it says open the Google slide that is attached and copy and paste the slide into your interactive notebook. I want to open this for you and show it to you. And I just want to talk about this just for a hot minute here, because this is like one of my favorite pictures, one of the most helpful pictures in what I would use to teach you for biology. When I would teach this in person with kids in the room, I would just leave this up on my smart board for like 2 weeks straight, because this is such a helpful picture in explaining gene expression. So I want you to take a look at this. We've got 4 different cell types here. We've got a heart cell, a skin cell, a liver cell, and an eye cell. And we have the DNA that is in each of those cells. And we have different genes, and the genes are color coded. So you see in the heart cell, we've got a blue gene, a pink gene, a purple, a green, and I guess a yellow gene. Okay. And if you look at the skin cell, the liver cell, and the eye cell, here's what you notice. They all have the same genes. They all have blue, pink, purple, green, and yellow. They all have the same genes, just like in your body in real life. All of your cells in your body all have the same genes. They all have the same DNA. We've talked about that in Unit 1. Now, what you have to be able to pick out today is what makes them different. Okay, so why is a heart cell functioning differently from the skin cell or the liver cell or the eye cell? Well, what do you notice is different? So this heart cell, we notice that its blue gene is turned on, the pink one is off, the purple is on, the green is on, and the yellow is turned off. Now, look at the skin cell. The blue here is actually turned off. The pink is turned on. The purple is turned off. The green is on, and the yellow is off. So what you will notice in each of the different cell types is that even though they have the same genes, each one has a different combination of those genes being turned on and off. Okay, and what will that result in? Well, that means each cell will have a different combination of proteins being made, because remember, genes carry the instructions for making proteins, and therefore each cell type will have a unique function because they all have unique proteins from having unique sets of genes turned on and off. So the heart cell, in order to function, must have this specific combination of genes turned on and off. Skin cell, in order to function, has to have this combination of genes turned on and off, and it must be different from the heart cell, because you don't want those two things doing the same job. That'd be totally weird. And the liver cell, if you go through and look, you'll notice it has a different combination turned on and off than the heart or the skin, and same for the eye cell. So this activity, let's go ahead and look at it. It's a Google Doc. It's going to have this picture on there too for you to reference. You don't have to click back and forth. That's super nice, right? And you're just going to answer these few questions. 9 questions is all you have to answer today, using this diagram of these different cell types with the different combinations of genes being turned on and off. Okay, and then at the bottom, you have to determine which genes will be turned on and off for the nerve cell. And so the way, I don't want to give too much away, but just remember that in order for a gene to be specialized, to have its own special function, it cannot have the same combination turned on or off as another cell type, because then it would just have the same function as that other cell type. Okay, I hope that made sense. I hope that clarifies a little bit what's going on. And if you guys have any questions at all, please email me or call me.